Okay, everybody, this is your boy Gamer Arca number 1 and I'm with Alex. Alex is joining with me. Okay, Alex, get some materials. Come on, hurry up. Let's get materials. And we should be... I heard a witch. Let's get some wood first. There's that idiot witch. Get some wood first, idiot. We need this wood to make materials and other utensils. You deserve that.
Oh, I found a serious
Kill. I heard something. Oh no. Shut up. I hear something. A village! Rapi, di mo kaingatan. Rapi, you don't know that. You don't know where the village is. And you're gonna die. And you're gonna spawn back. Where did you spawn? Ooh, I'm gonna make pickaxe to get some stone. I'm sorry.
I found some coal.
Hey, Rapi ka ako yan. Rapi ah?
Na, bago!
Mode game.
Wait,
Ha?
ika ako biyan.
Oh, nag-vlog ako. Hindi rin. I like it.
I don't like it.
I really like it. Ouch. What happened to you?
I stopped doing
Well,
that.
more the merrier. A little bit. Stupid.
What is this? Look.
That's shirts.
Shirt?
Yep, look.
That's mine. This, by the way, where are you?
Remember you're gonna go. Kita na po skin. Kita mo skin, boys.
Steve.
What? What did I gather some stone? The more the merrier.
I'm near you.
Next time we're gonna find a cave.
So, what is
With the diamonds.
Oh, I love that. I'm just gonna get close.
Me too. More the merrier.
Just gonna get
You don't know what coal means.
Oh, I know. You want some torch?
I already have a torch.
Okay, that's fine.
Yep. With the torchlight set, because we have a new mod today.
Okay, don't let me.
I'm not going to I'm going to make some stone materials. Get some stone. So get some stone.
Wait. This
Okay, you gotta get some stone.
better get the stone for the
Because
game.
look, it's almost nighttime.
Is it nighttime?
Look, look at the sun.
I can see the sun.
It's setting. Kasi robuta.
Ah!
Mm.
Yep, you're right. It's nighttime.
Told you.
I got 8.
There.
Is that enough 8?
Did you hear that?
Yeah,
It's
that's
coming.
what is it coming?
Monsters.
Oh,
I
I'm
guess
ready.
we gotta get going. Rapid kumak na dito. Stone.
I get it. Getting some stone for you.
Let's go.
Wait.
We gotta get going. Before the sun sets. Okay, it's already setting, right?
You should go there in nighttime.
You should really put on your nighttime jammies.
It's nighttime, guys.
Ravi, where are you?
Right here.
Oh, don't leave me, okay?
Okay.
Hey, I don't like. Ready your swords, everybody.
My
Okay.
sword is a stick.
What? Come here. Where are you?
Where are you?
Oh, you come here. Okay.
Ayoko magbihim-bihim na dyan kako.
Meta.
No. Oh, there. I got.
You have been teleported to Herobrine.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, I'm so scared.
Thank you.
What is happening to me? Creeper! Give me gunpowder. Help me, Robbie.
There's one creeper.
Yeah, me.
Ayaw pa.
Hey, why are you trying to kill me?
Ow!
Why are you trying to kill me, you noob?
Wala.
Ayaw ka ba ng buhok?
Don't hurt ko.
Gerok man.
Taon!
Oh no.
Yaon! Don't leave me!
Run! Okay.
I guess it's the...
It's day! Thank you, God! Ah, look, zombies. Okay, it's fine. Kill it! Kill it, you dummy! I can't do my voice. Okay, I'll teleport to you. Remember, we got...
You have been teleported to
Good.
Herobrine.
Let's go. We don't need spider eye. But, hey, that's mine. Yeah, but I like... Get some gunpowder. Nilag dun, oh, Murabi. You have a big head.
Oh my god.
I'm not creeper. Thanks for the wood, creeper. I love you. Oh, no, zombie. Get some water flesh. Ouch. I'm dying. Let's go. Should probably get your...
Yeah. I found some iron.
Don't like iron.
Valley.
How many iron?
Valley. Yeah. In the dark.
Where? Let's
Oh,
go.
I found some XP.
Let's go.
Ayaw na.
Kari ko. Kuha na natin yung conversion.
Okay, I think I fall down again. I think I fall down, Kaka.
Okay, I fell.
I fell. Did you die?
Nope.
I died.
I have 4 hearts.
And I have...
Yeah, you liar. There's no iron. Oh, there it is. Ouch. Ouch, ouch.
Herobrine fell from a high place.
Yeah.
Abby, what are you doing in there? It's a shortcut. Oh, XP. Meta. Chill.
Not you. Me.
Chill.
Ako. I'm just gonna make a shovel.
I'm just gonna get some iron, okay? On my way, you load.
I have a shovel. Stone shovel.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make some this and of that. Where are you? Oh, found you.
Ginang pa ako kwan.
Craft.
Wala ginang crafting table amo.
I just
I'm
said
gonna
you're-
make some shirts.
Oh my, you're making some shirts?
Because I wanna be a YouTuber.
Okay,
Yeah.
found you. Ah!
Found-
Ooh. Ow!
Let's go find some diamonds.
I don't know what's the diamond. Oh, shovel. Oh,
Let's go. Oh god, dark stinking cave.
look, I have a short.
Okay. We need to gather up some cows, leather, and idiots. I mean you, idiots. Ugh. So hard.
Yeah.
Good thing this is not hardcore mode. If this is hardcore mode, I'll kill you.
No.
Come here. Out of my way, you nude. Ouch. Nakapantok ako stone.
Wait, ano na yun?
Your cows. Come here, you stupid cow. I need your meat and leather.
Bless me.
Where are you?
You let me.
Where I said, where are you?
I'm in the cave.
I'll teleport you.
Okay. I found some charcoal. Look.
I want to make some shirts.
Oh, it's not rotten flesh. Can I get it?
Gross. But impressive. I don't like.
I'm just gonna fall down in this stupid cave. Nothing will happen to me. Again. Many times, many times, many days. Hey, you found a cave. Ow!
Why are you always falling?
Okay, this time I'll not fall. It's gonna fall harder. Oh, God! Oh, my God!
What?
Oh, it died! I was trying to get iron for you.
Thank you. You need don't pick up.
I just always die!
So ba yan?
Wait!
No.
I'm just gonna get iron for Kaka.
We're gonna get some sheep for bed.
How much I can get nothing?
Because you need don't pick
Tidak manyang
up.
pamatay ko. Yes! I got one iron.
Give me, okay?
One more second. I want second food.
The iron.
Wait, just a minute.
Give me the iron.
I just get one iron.
Ito ako make it. Make it ako.
Okay, patayin ka na ko.
Pata. What? Nakaiga ko?
Yeah.
I'm coming.
I'm here.
May make it ako.
Simon ko na mo.
May iron ka ako. Hindi mo kasi save ko ah.
Looks like a mannequin.
I'm not a mannequin.
May ako miyaki.
Saan mo kaigdaw? Magbalik na ba ako? Mga kung makabalik na natin mga kana. Bye. Ano ito? No, that one.
Balik pa ba kayo ko sa ito?
Mechanic.
Oh, kalik. Oh, yeah. Pagtawag sa tiparita, kalik.
Bukan palik.
Yeah, kalik.
Kalik. Mong sabi palik.
Yung pagtawag ka niya, mamita, kalik. Tapos yung pagtawag ka niya, palik.
Ano yung bunangan?
Palik?
Na, palik yung nga yung bunangan.
Hindi na, pagtawag.
Gantihan ako ng nga mo yan.
Sure na.
Hindi ka lang kasi nga mo. Archie!
No way.
Yan mo, Rapi. Ikuan na dyan. Siyang gawin mo.
No?
Siyang gawin mo, man.
Archie.
Ha? Hindi ba ayaw?
Oh, I know. Crafty corn.
De.
That is so fun.
De.
Powerful.
Ang kudi.
Okay, fine. Nanday ko.
Namoy tayo.
Ah,